baby? What's wrong?
Is Ma home?
No. She's at a car party. What's the matter?
Some crackhead broke into my house today.
No. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I shot him.
You shot him?
Yes.
And you called the police?
Of course I called the police.
Where's Kim?
That's what the hell I would like to know.
Diana.
I don't want to hear that bullshit. She been fucking around and now her junkie friends know where I live.
You don't know that.
She hasn't stopped. She just slowed down.
That doesn't mean she knew whoever it was that broke in.
Even if I asked her, she'd say no, because she's a dumbass. She won't pull that shit with a cop, though.
Do they want to question her?
I want them to question her.
What the hell you mean? You ain't gonna have to do nothing with my daughter.
Your daughter could have gotten me killed.
Stop saying that. You're going too far. Diana, you confused. You scared right now.
Why aren't you? One of them could break into your house. If it wasn't for the fact that Kim could just walk in here and take whatever she likes.
Look, you and Kim may have some issues, but that's something you and Kim need to work out together. Not with no damn cops. This is family, damn it.
I ain't got shit to say to her except get the fuck out of my house.
Fine. I'm taking her out of there tonight. This is crazy.